Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE dryer door switch. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door switch. The door switch is a safety device that tells the dryer when the door is open. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's failed and the dryer won't start because it thinks the door is open or the light won't come on. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dryer door. Once you have the door open, you can see the door switch. It's located down here in the bottom left corner. The door switch has a locking tab up on the side of it right here. So we're just going to pull on it a little bit and then carefully, so you don't scratch the front panel, we're just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to push in the locking tab. You're going to get it about halfway out. It's going to kind of snap out like that and release. And you can pull it off the rest of the way. We're going to take the small flathead screwdriver and press on the locking tab so we can get the wiring harness off. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dryer. Here's the old door switch next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new door switch in, just want to grab the wiring harness and plug it in. Once you have it in place, you can just push it into the front of the cabinet and snap it into place. Once you have the part installed, you can close the door, plug the dryer back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.